So in the first question, we have to construct the angle of 90 degree and then we will justify the construction. So for that, we will write here first steps of construction. So in this step of construction, we know that whatever the things we are going to construct, first we need the base. So our first step is draw. We are using the initial ray AX. Now to draw the ray, we will take the ruler and it's a ray, so it don't have any measurement. So this is the ray with the initial point A and it is increasing toward the point X. Okay, now from the point A, you have to adjust your compass center. So this means this is the center. So adjust it at the point A. And with the any radius, it's depend on you what is the length of line or what is the space available in your notebook. Just open the radius. This is the opening radius. So you can open with the any center or with the any length. Now you have to draw the arc that will intersect the ray AX and move like this. So we have drawn here the second step, that we have taken the A as a center and with the any arbitrary radius on the ray AX such that it will intersect AX at point C. You will know it better. Now in the third step, with the same radius, whatever you have taken in the earlier step, you have to take now C as a center and with the same radius cut an arc that will intersect the previous arc. So in third step, we have written that now take C as a center. So we have taken C as a center and with the same radius, we will cut the another arc that will intersect the previous arc and let it give the point at C1. So this is the point of intersection C1. Now the same step, you have to draw the another arc. So we will write here. Now with C1 as a center, now C1 as center, by taking C1 as a center, cut another arc C2 on the previous arc. So your arc will be in this side. Actually, it is in the somewhere here and name it C2. So when we join our first arc, now that we are not going to join in for the 90 degree. So suppose if we join the C1, so this angle is 60 degree. Now if we join the A with C2, अगर इसको join करते हो, so this whole angle is 120 degree. So concept किस तरह से यहाँ पे use हो रहा है कि अगर मैं C1 को join करता हूँ तो ये तो मुझे 60 मिल रहा है और ये जो 120 था तो somewhere this gap is 60 degree. अब मुझे 30 degree और increase करना है. So that means we will construct here only 30. So this whole angle will be 90 degree. ये हो जाएगा हमसे. Now take your compass with the same radius and put it on the point C1. Now with the same radius, cut another arc with the center C1 And now you have to change the center to the point C2 and then cut the previous arc. So this is the intersection of the arc from the C1 and C2. So we've written the step here from the C1 and C2. We have cut the two arcs that will intersect each other at point B. Then the last step we will write here, join AB. So we will join the A with B. Mm, So we are getting the wrong position because it's a note of by the measurement. So when we draw with the compass, so this is the point B where we will join with the A. So last step we will write there, join AB. And the last one is hence angle XAB is 90 degree. Okay, so हम जब कंस्ट्रक्शन करते हैं ना तो बहुत अजीब सी चीजें होती है. कुछ लोग अपने एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करने के लिए पूरी नोट घुमा देते हैं, कुछ लोग अपने प्लेस पे ही घूम जाएंगे. एंड वी ड्रॉ द सर्कल ना और फेस एक्सप्रेशन विल आल्सो चेंज. हमारा माउथ भी है ना उस प्रोटेक्टर और कंपास की तरह ही घूमता रहता है.